Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In the previous video we talked about how to add row in collection. Now in this video we'll talk about how to copy rows. So to use this copy rows, first we should have one main collection from where we'll copy, and we need one other collection where we'll write our copied collection data, that row. If we are working on a project and let's say we have this type of data, and after doing some data manipulation like filtration and deleting some rows, columns like that, then we want to copy few rows like 10 rows, 5 rows like that, and then we want to write that specific rows to any other Excel sheet or any other collection for any data manipulation, right? So for that type of scenario we need to know about how to copy rows, or like how to copy only 2 rows, 5 rows, 10 rows. Here you can see, here we have let's say 6 rows. Now if you just want to copy 2 rows, here this is the header, you want to just copy 2 rows, then how you will do that? So for these things, for this type of scenario, you will use copy rows, and that copy row is the action of collection internal business object. So here you can see I have one master collection and one child collection. In this master collection I have 2 columns, serial number and name. I have few initial values, 10 rows I have. Now here I am giving the initial value. When you will work on any project, in that scenario you will read the data from Excel and then store in a collection, and then you will get the data, you will copy the data from that collection. So here you can understand that this master collection is the collection that you have get as a worksheet collection from your Excel, right? And then you are working on this collection. So as per our scenario we have 10 rows and I want to just read first 3 rows. Okay, so how can I read these 3 rows? How can I copy these 3 rows and write to another collection? So let me click OK, and let me take one action stage, double click on that and write here copy 3 rows. Now in the business object select internal business objects collection. Now from this action select copy rows. Here we have 3 inputs: collection name, start row and row, and in the output we need to pass our result. Now in the collection name we need to pass our collection from where we want to copy that rows. So I am going to copy from this master collection, because here in the master collection I have 10 rows, so I want to just copy 3 rows from here. So I will just drag and drop here, but I will get one error, because here you can see it is asking for text, but it is also accepting only collection name. It means just double click on this master collection, copy this collection name from here, from the top, close this, in the double quotation paste that collection name. Now in the start row, so as per our scenario we need to copy from first row, second row, third row. We need to copy 3 rows. So here it will take index based. So index based means if you need row number 1, so you need to write here 0. Now and row will be, I need 3 rows, so 0 means 1 first row, 1 means second row, 2 means third row, right? So here we'll write 2. So it will read data from 0, 1, 2. So it will take 3 rows. Now go to outputs and take the child collection name, and here it will accept only collection. So we'll directly put here. Now click OK, link this, reset this and step. Now you'll see here in the child collection we have one of 3 rows in the current values. It means we have 3 rows that we copied. Now that is available here. So based on the index level you can copy that. If you need 4 rows, you need to write in the end 3. Now one more example I can take here. Let's say I want to copy from this 5th row to 7th row, right? It means 5, 6, 7. So as per index, what will happen? This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write 4 in the start row and then 5, 6, 6 in the end row. So we'll double click on that, and again we are going to copy 3 rows. So here we'll write 4, 6. So it will take 5, 6, 7. Reset, step again. Now we'll see here we have 3 rows again in the current values, 5, 6, 7. So you just need to understand that index will start from 0, and based on this collection data that you need, that will be 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, right? So based on that you just need to do number of row minus 1. It means if you need first row, you need to put there first row minus 1, it means 0. You need second row, it means 2 minus 1, 1. Based on that you can copy that rows. And now we have 3 rows copied here in our child collection, and this collection you can write to Excel sheet, and then you can either that will complete your automation, or might be you need to do some manipulation on that one, right? So I hope that will help you. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please like this video. Thank you.